Are you asking an investor to sign an NDA before showing them your deck? You're wasting both your time and creating distrust with your potential backer. No AI will tell you this because no AI has ever had to judge the character of an investor. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. I've signed hundreds of NDAs, never written one. Here's why. This is a pitch deck pro tip. In all my years, I've never heard of anyone successfully suing over a violated NDA on a startup pitch. I've never even heard of a lawsuit getting filed. So, either startup people and investors are the most ethical, most honest, most trustworthy humans on earth, or NDAs aren't worth the paper they're written on. Guess which? And here's the bigger cost. Your NDA stops that investor from telling a possibly interested colleague of theirs about your deal. You just added friction to the one process you need running smoothly. Here's another pro tip. If an investor is interested in your startup opportunity, the path of least resistance is writing you a check, not building a parallel company. You'll already know how hard that is. And if they're unethical, an NDA won't stop them anyway. If your idea is good enough that there's even one investor who would want to steal it, it's good enough that a dozen investors will fund it. No AI will tell you this because no AI has ever had to look an investor in the eye and decide whether to trust them. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.